Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to evaluate this integral. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both up and down by this reciprocal. So this is 1 minus sin x, this is also 1 minus sin x, right? So this is 1 minus sin x over 1 minus sin square x, right? This is what cos square x dx. So I can write this as integral of dx over 1 minus sin x over cos square x dx, right? So I'm going to separate this. So this is 1 over cos square x, right? This is sec square x dx minus, I can write this as sin x over cos x times 1 over cos x, right? This is dx. This is sec square x dx minus, this is 1 over cos is sec, so this is sec x, sin over cos is tan, right? Sec x tan x dx. So I know what is this. This is tan x minus this is sec x, right? Plus c. So this is the answer. I hope you understood what I did here. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.